Hello guys, welcome again to my vlog. This is Mike, and today's video I will show to you some of our striking style in our system Eskrima de Campo GDCIO. So I will show to you some of our strikings, differences in our system to others. Other system of Eskrima, when they are going to strike, they will strike like this. So they always extending their hand. But ours, in our system, Eskrima de Campo GDCIO, we don't extend our hand. Instead, our hand is only here, like this, when we strike. So our hands is only here. We don't extend our hands. Why we don't extend our hand? So we don't extend our hand because we don't want that my opponent has an opportunity or find a ways to hit me. Because if I'm extending my hand, so there's a tendency that my hand will be the first priority target to my opponent. Because in our system, if I'm the opponent of the man that always extending his hand, so his hand is my first priority target. So that's why in our system we don't extend our hand. So our hand is only here, we don't extend. So, and also we don't extend our elbow. Always like this, we don't do like this. Because if we do like this and I'm the opponent, or if I saw an opponent doing like this is his elbow is my priority target. So in my mind, what's near to me, that's my first priority target.